Hi, 2 points to think about as we are entering the month of December. One, the selling pressure that we have seen in crypto continues. And second, we have an early preview on holiday sales. So let's dig into both of those topics a little bit. One, the selling that started in crypto in October, which picked up steam in November, has continued into this month. At one point, Bitcoin this morning was down about 8% and Ether was down around 10%. Selling that we've seen in that area of the market has basically moved over to equities, and in particular, kind of the higher beta AI names. So those stocks have performed exceptionally well this year, and they've been trading at valuations and multiples that are exceptionally high, making them very vulnerable for a potential pullback. And that's really what we saw all of last month, and we've seen a little bit today as well. It's estimated there is about $1 billion in leveraged trades linked to crypto that are being unwound. And that is really what's putting selling pressure on crypto as well as these higher beta names as well. So it'll be interesting to see how this continues to play out. It is good that the sell-off has really been isolated to those areas. Overall, if you look at the market, we've had a rotation more to value and quality during November, and hopefully that will continue to take place. So you see valuations at much lower levels in other areas of the market, and that's really what's attracting capital. Also, it's important to look at what we're seeing from a holiday sales perspective when we're thinking about the strength of the economy and also what the Fed might do at the Fed meeting this month in December. So it is expected that holiday sales will surpass $1 trillion. Which is very impressive from an absolute perspective. What that means on a year-over-year basis is holiday sales up a little over 2%. Not surprisingly, we've seen strength with the higher end consumer, and at the lower end, we've seen weakness. And that's really where the consumer has been negatively impacted by higher and stickier inflation. It's a trend that we've seen all year, so it's not much of a surprise. It will be interesting to see how that impacts the Fed when the Fed meets. The market has really been expecting a 25 basis point cut. You've seen mixed messages from different Federal Reserve officials on what's going to happen, but it is going to be a date and an event that will certainly have an impact on the market. Thank you.